So I picked some seats up from the scrapyard. They actually came out of an old Celica. I think it was a 2004 Celica. Here are the seats. There's one side. And here's the other seat. Here's the car. Done quite a bit of work since last time. Something over here, but you'll see that in the next video. So let's get the Celica seats cleaned up and into the car. Got some Tesco leather cleaner. I was going to buy some turtle wax one, but it cost £6. This was only £2, and with the corona pandemic, money has to be saved. Alright, so I've got that. I've also got some kitchen degreaser, because on the back there's a bit of mould. So give that a bit of a spray and give that a clean off. I'll probably do Let's do a wee comfort test. Now the seats are clean. Oh, they're lovely. Alright, so the car is still on axle stands, both sides, because I was doing some work on the hub here with George and some work on the exhaust. So I'm going to take them off the axle stand so I can get inside and take the old seats out. The roof's down, you can get a better look at the seats they're currently in. So it's these black and grey seats. They're the current seats. We'll take out the passenger seat. That'll be the experiment seat, because I don't want to mess with the driver's side in case it doesn't work. So let's get that seat out. Seat number one's out the car. Alright, so the seat belt did not have to come off. That's the Celica seat runner off that chair. There's a lot of dirt and things. We found an old 2-pence coin. So I'm going to give this just a wee quick hoover. Let's get the MR2 pre-facelift seat runner off. Alright, MR2 seat runners off. Let's put it onto the Celica seat. That's basically the new runners back on the seats. I was trying to show you this. How these two bolts go in here, but it's really difficult to hold the camera up here and record, so I'll just show you that there. So yeah, the last two go in there, then there's just the seatbelt one, and that's the rails swapped over. Then this should be able to go into the car. That's the first Celica seat in. That's it compared to the normal seat. Okay, comfort test. So I'm sitting in the MR2 pre-facelift seat. Yeah, it's not bad, I actually don't mind it. It's quite firm, it's okay. Comfortable. Let's move over to the Celica seat. Okay, now sitting in the new seat. Yeah, and it's a step up. Comfort level's a lot better. It's a lot softer. The cushioning is that bit better as well. Yeah, definite improvement, and honestly legroom's not that bad. Look at this garden. There we are. Yeah. Project GTI. Project MR2, slightly dirty. There's the new seats, looking beautiful. The seats are finished, and honestly I'm so happy, so happy with them. Let me show you that side. Yeah, seats are done, I'm so happy with them. Guys, thanks a lot for watching. Make sure you subscribe. I'm hopefully trying to get the MR2 back in the road for in the next 2 weeks to a month. So make sure you subscribe, more content coming soon, and yeah, thanks for watching, peace.
I'd give them, and I'm usually satisfied, so I would say 10 out of 10.
Oh, yes. Are you ready? We need to make sure the seatbelt lights go off. Here goes a wee start up.